everyone, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to be using my air fryer to make a couple of recipes. I am new to air frying, and so far I love it. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing today in that handy dandy little air fryer. My friends at NewAir wanted me to try this out, and I was all for it because, you know, Danny and Tina, they at Phillips FamBam, they love their air fryer. In fact, they were like, you should really get one, Ines. They are wonderful. And I was excited to try it. So this came in the mail. It came with a cookbook. I've been trying some different little things here and there, and I'll tell you what, it is very easy to use, and it's good for my kids to use. So they can pop in like chicken strips and tater tots and things like that in there, and it feels safe to me for them to use, and it cooks pretty quickly. So I'm gonna get started on making homemade chicken strips and French fries. So I'm gonna show you how I use it in this air fryer. Also, at the end of the video, I'll have a discount code from NewAir for this Magic Chef air fryer. So stay tuned, and it's exciting for everybody, isn't it? So I'm just going to preheat this, and I'll just push it at any temperature, but I'll pretty much just start it. Just gonna let it warm up. There's nothing extra special here besides just an egg batter and then some flour and breadcrumbs. So all I'm gonna do is just dip 2 chicken breasts that I've quartered and as evenly as possible, and then I'm just gonna get it ready and just put it here on the plate. I just finished doing the coating. It gets a little messy, you know what it's like. So it's just flour, then egg mix, and then the breadcrumbs. Totally easy. And that whole time I was doing it, this is taking my necklace. This heated up nice and hot, so I just sprayed it a little bit with the cooking spray, just in case. So I'm just gonna add as many of these as will fit, and then I'm gonna cook it on the chicken setting. So it even has a setting already in there. Some of these I made smaller, and some are bigger. So I will test the cookness on my thickest one. So that'll be a good indicator for the other ones. So I'm just gonna get as many as I can. This is a pretty big basket, so I only cut 2 chicken breasts apart, and they were Costco size, so you know they were pretty big. And so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'll start the timer. Already put it on the chicken, but I'm gonna just do it for 10 minutes because that's what I read in the booklet, that I could do it for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start it at this point and then see how it goes. While the chicken is going, I'm going to get started on making some homemade fries. So I need to get some potatoes going, cut and slice, and I'm gonna just keep them resting in some cold water. So I have already rough chopped. They're in some water, so that way they're not gonna get any oxidation. You can bake these, but I'm gonna try it in the air fryer today. So when the chicken is done, which it's smelling so good, I just want to put those in the basket. Before I do, I'm gonna make sure there's some salt and pepper, maybe a little bit of garlic, and kind of toss in about a tablespoon of oil. So that's a lot less than what you're gonna actually have if you go out and get some French fries, you know, from like your favorite places when they're just fried in oil. They probably bring more than like 2 tablespoons back to your table. I mean, really, come on. So this is gonna be wonderful. I love French fried potatoes from making them from home. I just love those, and I really should make them more often. So right now I'm starting with the French fries. The chicken has come out. It looks amazing. It smells amazing, and I may have already had a little piece because I didn't really eat lunch, so it just looked good. So I'm just gonna get this going with some oil, just 1 tablespoon, that's all I'm doing. That's mostly so it won't stick to the basket, but I will even put a little bit of a spritz of the, well, my kids are home, the cooking spray. So I wanna just get some salt and pepper in here, and a little tiny bit of garlic. And then I'm just gonna mix it around. So you may be wondering, Inez, why are you using the same tongs? I'm not. We have like 50 of them because Paul likes to grill, and so we always have extra tongs around. we don't have 50. We just have like 7. But I just want to mix this all up. Now this is going because it's getting ready for me for this part. And so I'm ready to put these in and cook them. So I think it's gonna cook for about 10 or so minutes, and then I'm gonna take a look and flip them over, just kind of make sure it's getting crisp on all sides, and let it go for a few more minutes after that. That's kind of how the chicken's been going. 10 minutes on one side, just flipped them over for a few more minutes. Not more than 15, it was done. I wanted to just show you up close. That's 4 small potatoes. So that's how I got them in. And look at, they're just saying, fry me. As soon as I put them in there, it was like, sizzle, sizzle. Kind of the same thing. We're gonna get it going. All right, I'm just gonna pull it out. It's only got like a couple minutes left, but I think it's ready. Look at those yummies. Oh my gosh. So Jonas is like a shark around this area because he just came home from school and he's like, what? French fries? Yes. Okay, you guys, look at how this came out. So that looks so crispy. It crunches when I cut it. It's, I think, perfect. I could see where I could make this into like a chicken parmesan. I can do like some kebabs in there. I could do, like, the ideas are endless and they're going right through my brain right now. Like, light bulbs are going off. And these French fries, they are delicious. Look at that. Yum. Yum. Mmm. So good. Chicken's cooked all the way through. Mmm. Delicious. Thanks for stopping by my channel today and seeing this review of this awesome Magic Chef air fryer. I'm so grateful for my friends at NewAir to send me this this product for me to try, and I love it. And I'm gonna put it right there on my counter so the kids can use it too, as well as myself. So check it out, and I have a discount code in the description box below. So now you can get one for yourself. So stick around, you just never know what I'll be rolling out next.